I'm going deep into the void.
Free fall. We've simulated a free fall.
What's happening, guys? I am back from Maple Hill and just want to do a quick little video for you. I did a couple of these at Maple Hill while I was there. I was doing some live dyeing and sold a couple of these, and then ended up doing a couple of customs for people while we were there. So I just wanted to go through real quick. We're gonna do this, which I kind of call it, an ocean wave dye, something like that. But super easy, quick, simple, and like always, we're just gonna start off with the things you need. Obviously, a pair of gloves, a bed, some clear glue, your droppers, and then so we're gonna be using shark blue, royal blue, aquatic, Caribbean, and then I have a little the quick coat clear worm dip. You could probably just use plain acetone. I don't think it matters. Yeah, that's all we're gonna need. I'm gonna adjust the camera, and then we're gonna get right to it. Alright, guys, like I said, this one is super quick, super simple. I got everything ready to go. I got my glue poured. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with my my shark blue, and I'm just gonna go heavy right down here on the bottom. I'm gonna then go next to my royal and just kind of overlap it a little. I'm gonna do the same thing with the aquatic. And then I'm going to finish off with the sky, just like that. And then usually what I do is I take this clear here and I just do one little line of that, and that kind of just takes away those fingers that you could kind of see. And now all we're gonna do is we're just gonna take that and we're just gonna do big old circles just like this. And you can do a few, you can do it a bunch, it doesn't really matter. It's however whatever you think is gonna look best. I think that's gonna probably look pretty cool right there. You can kind of see that pattern. And I am going to lay down a disc in this, and we will get some results in just a little bit. Alright, guys, that's it. Super cool, super fun, super easy, and really quick video on how to do a really cool ocean wave disc. I hope it helps. I hope to see what you do, and I hope to see you out there in the course. Take it easy, guys.